Hello there, my name's Jason and I'm from England. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need help improving your English language, then look no further. I am a professional English language teacher with over 20 years experience in teaching. I've worked for several high-level international language schools, and in 2010 I opened my own school in Germany that was very successful. And now I live in Thailand and I teach English online to students from all over the world. I specialize in business English, and I can adapt my lessons to each level and help with the students' requirements and development. My lessons are fun and positive with 100% focus on building your vocabulary, improving your grammar and your pronunciation. So, what I'll do is build your confidence in English and get you speaking quickly and correctly. Let's get started.